Hello everyone. I thought of coming live to show you some of my arts, but I was unable to do that because it needs 50k subscribers for coming live. So if you all like my art, then do subscribe me. Here is one of my art, that is leaf painting. But first time I tried it, I know this is not that much proper. And this one I uploaded in YouTube for Women's Day, but the views was very less. So it's okay, maybe time issue. And this one is one of my art I made for eye art. And I have Canva paintings also. I will show you. This one is of some scenery painter, and this one I like the feather which I made, and this one is of butterfly. uh, this one is of Japan cherry blossom time. And more I got. This is just kid section type. And the last, this one also. These things I uploaded in YouTube, but obviously in some I have little bit good views. This one I made fire, the girl, money. You all can see in YouTube if you all want this. This one I made raining in the jungle, means walking alone in the jungle. And this one is Jim Kazama. Here 90s kids can relate who have played Taken at that time. This one also I made yesterday of Radha and Krishnaji. Hold on. And obviously I don't have that much time, maybe you will not see till last. So I'm just saying that if you all like my art, then you can subscribe me, so I can grow and show you more attractive arts which I will make in the history. And happy Holi to everyone for tomorrow. Thank you, and take care of you and your family. Namaste. And this one too. Wait. Coffee mug.